Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. I finally received my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus in the mail. Yay! So, I'm going to show you guys what I got in my box, but before I do my unboxing, I'm going to talk about a little tea. Alright, so there was a little drama around people getting their Ipsy boxes in the mail this month. I guess not apparently, people did get their boxes late and we were charged earlier in the month. And me, for example, I was charged May 1st. I saw that Ipsy took out for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but I never received it. Today I just got it, which today is the 20th. So they charge you on the 1st and you don't get it to the 20th, which some people were complaining that if you charge me for something, then we should get it. You shouldn't charge people until it ships out. And a couple of subscription boxes, they don't charge you till it actually ships out. So I guess that's why a lot of people were upset. Me, I'm understanding. I get all that's going on. And, you know, due to that, a lot of the stuff can't be shipped out right away. It's very understandable. It's not a big deal to me. I'll get the boxes when I get them. But some people were very upset and saying, oh, well, you shouldn't charge us if you know it's going to be late, or don't charge us. So Ipsy tried to do the right thing and they actually tried to rectify the situation. And I was right in that boat with everybody else who still didn't receive their boxes. So Ipsy sent me an email. I got the email, I want to say maybe like 2 or 3 days ago. And they said, you know, they just wanted to apologize for not being able to ship out their boxes in a timely manner like how it used to be, and due to whatever's going on, we have delay in the boxes. But to rectify it, they said I got to receive 600 extra points that I could redeem in the Ipsy store. So, to be honest, hey, that was a win-win situation for me, because regardless, at the end of the day, I'm still going to get my box if it's this day or that day. But now I got 600 extra points, which I did redeem. I did redeem some of it, and I got the first aid, like the radiance wipes, because I always want to try that. So that's probably going to be in like one of my future boxes that I get. For those of you that don't know, Ipsy has something kind of like BoxyCharm, where they have a charm room where you could redeem charms and get stuff for free, but you have to earn the charms. Same thing with Ipsy, you have to earn points by doing reviews, and when you do reviews, you get points. So I have been doing reviews and I have been getting points to get like free stuff, but I just got 600 free points. So thank you, Ipsy, for doing that and trying to make things right. You know, I wasn't going to complain, but I guess apparently a lot of people complained, so they did that to rectify the situation. But anyway, back to the unboxing. Alright, so I showed you guys what the box looks like. You guys all know what the box looks like already anyway. They always have like a little styrofoam inside the box to keep everything from getting damaged. So let's see what I got. Alright, so let me give you guys a quick sneak peek. You know, I always give a sneak peek before I do show you guys what I got. Alright. So, I got something really, 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 really exciting. Yay! I'm so excited. So, I actually, I think this was because I did annually for the Ipsy Glam Bag, the first one, the one that's the cheapest. They were like, they do things to entice you. They're like, I was already doing Ipsy, the first one, Ipsy bag, but they said, oh, if you sign up for a whole year, we'll give you a free Huda Beauty Emerald's Obsession palette. So here it is. Here's the beauty. They suckered me in. So now I actually have a couple now of them. So I got this in my Huda Beauty mystery bag. So now I have the purple one, I have the neon one, I have the mauve and the warm browns. I have the mauve and I have the warm browns. I also got this from Ipsy a while back. I guess it was like in one of the Ipsy Glam bag pluses. It was like an option that you could choose from, and I chose that. So my collection is growing. Yes. So let's see what this looks like. This is pretty. I thought about wearing this today. I'm like, should I wear this? But I'm like, with pink, I don't know. But this is what the palette looks like. How beautiful. Loves it. So I'm so excited to add to my collection. All right, so that's that. So that wasn't a part of the box. Like I said, that was just because I decided to do it for the whole year, which 9 times out of 10, I do everything for the whole year anyway. So I love the incentives they give you to do for the whole year, because that was great. My Ipsy bag, I didn't get a card in the first one, in my first video. It's the same thing. They gave this card that just tells you that they're going to do add-ons on 5/21, and it just tells you about highlighter powder, liquid cream, same thing as my last box. But my thing is they put all the money into these, but you guys didn't give us the prices and the tell us about the products. Like, it took all this time to make this. You guys couldn't just put on one of the sides the prices. Like, you know, a lot of people want the prices and knowing if it's full size, travel size. Like, come on, Ipsy, help us out a little bit. Help us out. All right. So let's look at the bag. This is the bag. Blue. It's blue. Very pretty. This is really weird because this is in a Glam bag plus, and it's in the first one, the smaller bag, which I think is $12. The box I got is $25. This one is $12. So for the $12 one, they gave a bigger bag. That made, like, look at compared to the size. Like, let me put it side by side. Or is it the same? No, this side looks a little bit bigger, but it's supposed to be the other way around. But nevertheless, these are the 2 bags that I got. This was my choice. I was very excited for this because Sunday Riley is very expensive. So, and I mean, I'm here for buying expensive skincare because, like, there's no price on beauty. You know, like, if something works, you know, I gotta get it. But, like, it helps that I got it for my choice. And the box was only $25, and this retails way more than $25. Unfortunately, I can't tell you the price right now because they didn't give us a card for that. But this is what the box looks like. And this is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys all know what this looks like. This is like a cult following. But very excited to try this. So my Sunday Riley collection's growing from these subscription boxes. Thank you, Ipsy. Alright, so what is this? Oh, this is the Wonder Beauty. It's a clear brow gel. Not gonna open this because I also get a lot of brow gels in subscription boxes, so I'm not gonna open this. This didn't come in a box or anything like that, and I don't know how I feel about when they give things and it's not in a box. Because I'm just like, how do I know that it wasn't open, it wasn't contaminated? I love when everything comes in some type of packaging, but this is what it looks like. Okay. The next thing I got was the Mimosa Moment eyeshadow palette, which looks like so. And I actually have this on my eyes today. It's neutral color, so I just threw on like the bronzy color on my lid. And that's really about it, and like a brown matte in my crease for a transition color. This is what it looks like. Let me just put a little card in front of the mirror. This is what it looks like. Hold on. This is what it looks like. So it's nice neutral bronzy browns. Very nice earth tones. I never tried anything from, this is called Colored Rain. I never tried anything from this brand, but I will say that it went on very nice, very creamy, very pigmented. So I like this palette. Very nice. Alright, and it says it's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. So very, very nice. I'm very happy to get that. So far, I'm very happy with my box. Very happy with this box. I think I'm liking this better than my my BoxyCharm, the standard, the $25 one. I think I'm liking this one a little bit better. 9 times out of 10 I like BoxyCharm better, but this is one time where I actually like the Ipsy one better. Alright, so let's see what this is here. This is a high definition defining volumizing mascara. And the brand is called High Def. I never heard of this brand before. Is this a mascara? Yep. What did I say? If you guys look back on my videos, pretty much in every unboxing, I get either a mascara, a liquid liner, or a black pencil. It's usually like a mascara or liquid liner, but I think it's just funny. So this is what it looks like. It says Beauty for Real. Of course, you guys know I'm not going to open it because you guys know I have a lot of mascaras and liquid liners. But that's cool. I'm going to have to start giving away some of my mascaras and liquid liners too because I'm just getting too much. The next thing I got is MOTD Cosmetics. No, there's no A at the end, so it's not Moda, but maybe just MOTD Cosmetics. I never heard of this brand before, so don't come for me, but this is what it looks like. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. I love that it's rose gold. I'm all about like the pinky gold. So I'm going to show you guys what the brushes look like. These are what they look like. And I'll put like that so you guys can see. It's 4 brushes. Very excited. You guys know I love brushes. Love brushes. I love getting new brushes. You can never have, honestly, you can never have too much brushes. Alright, so that concludes everything that I have in my box for my May Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I just wanted to mention that I am going to be doing a giveaway because I finally hit my 100 milestone subscribers. Yay! So happy. Thank you guys once again for everyone who's been subscribing to my new makeup channel. I love makeup. I do lots of makeup unboxings here on my channel. I'm subscribed to pretty much all of the popular makeup subscription boxes, and I do makeup hauls. So I curated a nice little goodie bag of nice things that I'm going to give away to one lucky subscriber. This is going to be a big giveaway because go big or go home. That's my theory on everything. Go big or go home. If you're not going to do it big, don't do it at all. So I'm going to give this to one lucky subscriber because I appreciate each and every one of you guys that's been subscribing to me and showing me love and support. I think I'm going to do a separate video on that, so that's why I'm not talking about it too much because I'm going to do one whole video on that explaining the rules for how you can enter that giveaway. But obviously you have to be subscribed to my channel. That notification bell has to be hit for my channel as well, and I'll go over everything else soon in my soon to be video for my giveaway, my first and not my last giveaway. So this is the sad part of my video. I hate saying goodbye to you guys because you guys know I love you, but I will see you guys very soon. I still have more boxes coming in the mail, and I have a couple of hauls that I ordered. I did order some stuff from Sephora and another makeup brand, so stay tuned for some unboxings. And next week I'm gonna have I'm gonna do my fragrance collection video for you guys to see, so stay tuned for that and a couple of more exciting videos. Have a good day.